Hey guys, Angry Birds 2017 here, and today we are going to be installing Windows 7 Beta Build 7000. Now, of course, yes, sorry I haven't been in an upload for a while because I had school, I had a lot of stuff to do, as of this video, I already had like the ELA pre-state test, pretty much, whatever the hell I call it, so pretty much that's all the stuff I have that forced me away from school. All that stuff from school just forced me away from being on YouTube for a while. But now since I'm back into an upload, and yes, this is the first upload of 2019, and so let's go ahead and get this started. We are installing Windows 7 Beta Build 7000, and also in case you're wondering, I also just bought another controller, which is actually this GameCube-like controller. So this is more like a GameCube controller, but gives me much better experience playing my Switch on TV, rather than being a bit of little cramped on the Joy-Cons. But since the Joy-Cons are just reason because the buttons on the Joy-Cons are pretty small, so that's why I bought that controller for only some games. So let's go ahead and get this started. Alright, now we're installing Windows 7 Beta Build 7000. As of this video, today is actually the 9th, and Windows 7 Beta Build 7000 released to the public in the 7th, so I was a little late on that. Hopefully it works. Alright, so hopefully it works on the BIOS date I just set. Yes, I did have to go back to the BIOS. The only thing I changed is just a year number to 2009, where it came out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and begin installing this. And of course, yes, we're just gonna have to install it on one partition. Here, go ahead. Now, let's go ahead and just wait until this is actually being installed. So I'll be right back while this is processed. So we'll cut it right here. Okay, so I'm back and I let it process. So it's restarting the computer. Yes, I am installing it off of my Dell Optiplex 330. I already put this set up, of course. Pretty much I am processing a few things today. I am going to begin the process of installation. This is the Windows 7 Beta Build 7000 installation sensation. Yes, we saw the watermark, then it was right for no reason. I like the background. I think it's just a little tad better than the background on the final background for the installation sensation. So it's expanding the files. And by the way, I am gonna continue all the stuff I'm doing. So we'll take a break when this is actually processed. So we'll be right back. Alright, so setting up registry settings. And basically, I'm just gonna wait while it's processing. And we are on the road for a working operating system. Setup is starting services. Okay. Basically, I'm just playing my Nintendo Switch, of course. And there we go. It says installing Windows. Yes, it is definitely completing the installation. Okay, so as you can see, we are just going to complete this installation sensation. So and also I am going to be using this operating system on the on the Dell Optiplex for 30 days, for like a month during its trial. And then once it's done that, I am going to be putting back normal Windows 7. Basically, we are we're still a few minutes away for the operating system, so I can actually use it as much as I want. Yeah, for 30 days because I had an idea to leave Windows 7 Beta build 7000 on the Optiplex 330 for 30 days. So excuse me, I'm just gonna use my Switch. And even though I am using the Joy-Cons. By the way, as of this video, I only have the gray ones, so you see they're gray. But I just wanted the neon ones instead. That's what I prefer over the gray ones, to be honest. I'm getting the green ones. Some people saying that, oh, if you want the green and pink ones, you should buy first Splatoon 2. Well, I don't give a crap about that because it also matters if you don't have Splatoon 2 like I am. But just to make a little bit making sense things, I am gonna buy the game as well. So I'm just gonna put my Joy-Cons back in. And there we go. Good as new. I also found a problem when the operating system is installed, because with this monitor only, it has black bars, it's got wasted black bars. It's the biggest gross problem I found with the operating system. So yeah, basically that's the problem I ran into, and we are going to I also have this monitor lying around. So yeah, this is actually the Acer monitor. I'm not gonna actually use because there is no power adapter in it. I might be using this for this computer, of course. Stream off screen. However, I can actually just still live with the screen like this. So, but if I want kind of a better experience, I should actually plug it into my TV. So, yeah, this is actually the problem I found with this monitor only. Is just the black bars. So yeah, basically we have found an issue with the monitor is with the black bars and wasted space in the monitor. So that's a problem I ran into. So we're just gonna go ahead and we'll be right back. And I am back. Wait. Alright, the focus got screwed up over there. So alright, let's go ahead and set this up. So, I'm just gonna name the computer name. Oh yeah, you can't do space bars on this. Next. Thank you. Just nope. Eastern time. Yeah, sorry that it was just from my main computer off screen, because I was just processing my next video. So, And here we go, Windows 7 Ultimate. Beta build 7000. And never mind. We are on the Windows 7 desktop. So yeah, I am gonna live with a screen like this, anyways. Yes, living with wasted space, of course. Even cranking the resolution down, it's not gonna. Okay. Yeah, wasted space for you. So we're just. Alright, you know what? Hold up. Yeah, we can do, yeah, we can do. Yeah. 1280, 1024 isn't for me. This is why right now I prefer 1280 by 960 for this operating system. Yes, I am gonna live with these black bars on the top. So we're just gonna go ahead and head to computer. Yeah, we're just gonna use it for 30 days. So, basically, it's the first operating system to come load with the few stuff you need. So yeah, basically, I'm gonna take all my files and put it into this computer so we can get ready. That was it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. Follow me on Twitter. Links to other stuff like my website, my Discord server, and all that stuff. Yes, the Discord server, both of them. Join those two. See you in the next video. Goodbye for now.